Hey everybody, Yamez here with Allen Metal Forge. I know it's been a while. I've had a bit of technical setbacks with cameras and with my phones and whatnot. Um, I'm using my old phone to record this and try and get more videos out. Hopefully you'll see plenty more from me in the future. Tons of ideas up here, and I want to put them to you guys. First up, kind of a requested project. Um, Mr. Drayson over at Drayson's Forge, Mr. Barrett, has gifted me these two, I'm assuming, antique old soldering irons. You stick these in a fire, get them nice and hot. The tip is copper, this is wrought, and this is wood. Um, and then you use those to solder. He gifted these to me so that I could cut them off and make Moabos out of them, Copper Moabos. However, I think it would be cool to leave them as is in the same shape and then just put Moabo faces on them and leave the tips as they are so that should they ever need to be used again, they can be. Um, so, Drayson, this one's for you. Uh, awesome. Thank you. I'm gonna knock these out into some Moabos. Let's light the fire. All right. That turned out pretty cool. That went a lot quicker than I thought. Copper moves so easy. I shined them up a bit, and I think they look cool. They're still usable, too. They're still usable as soldering irons. Because as an old tool like that, I thought, man, it would be kind of a shame to just rip them apart and not be able to use them anymore. And then I was looking at them, and the little taper at the end, it's like, you know what? Make that the jaw. You know? Make that the jaw. So, I got some Copper Moabo soldering irons. How freaking cool. Anyway, yeah, he gave those to me at Quad State, and thank you, Drayson. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I know I was going to do those live for you, but I figured I'd make a video for you. Anyway, I hope to be releasing more videos. I'm going to try and keep a weekly schedule. I'm going to build myself a project board, just jot down everything that I can think of and kind of get better organized. My goals coming up are to get a dedicated camera that makes recording a little bit easier and allows me to bulk, like record more than just 20 minutes at a time like I can with this camera, without having to run in and, you know, dump it to my computer and so on and so forth. But yeah, to get, you know, a dedicated camera specifically for doing this. Maybe one day I'll have a nice OBS setup like Roy and Jess and Ting Ting and Big Dog and the rest of you guys who all use OBS or some sort of streaming software to make my live streams on Saturdays that much better. Anyway, this is Yamez with Metal Forge saying thanks for watching. Hearts and health. Hope you guys have a great day.